Kabosu is not just another citrus, it's the green gold whisper of Kyushu's sunlit orchards, a bright drop of Japanese tradition that lifts fish sashimi, hot pots, and even cocktails with its tart, uplifting soul. Kabosu, Citrus sphaerocarpa, is a uniquely Japanese citrus fruit, most famously grown in Ōita Prefecture on the island of Kyushu. Its origins trace back centuries, woven into local lore. Some say a doctor brought the first seeds from Kyoto during the Edo period, planting the seed of a citrus tradition now recognized for exceptional quality. Kabosu fruit is typically harvested while still green, though it will turn yellow if left to ripen. The size is modest, around that of a tennis ball, with a smooth, glossy skin that conceals intensely juicy, pale yellow flesh. Unlike many citrus fruits, Kabosu is rarely eaten whole. Its true gift comes from its vibrant juice and fragrant zest. Flavor-wise, Kabosu sits in a sophisticated space between lime, lemon, and yuzu. Its acidity is bold, but not sharp. Its aroma is fresh and slightly floral, yet restrained, more elegant than a plain lime, more grounded than a yuzu. This balance makes it perfect for delicate culinary tweaking. In Ōita cuisine, Kabosu is a seasonal hero. The juice is commonly squeezed over sashimi, grilled or steamed fish, fried chicken, and hot pot dishes to brighten and freshen the flavors without overpowering. It's also a key ingredient in ponzu sauces, salad dressings, and noodle broths. Some chefs use Kabosu zest to add a gentle citrus layer to sweets and marinades. Beyond the kitchen, Kabosu has a deeper cultural resonance. It is not just a fruit but a regional emblem. Ōita Kabosu has even earned a geographical indication, GI, recognition, highlighting its importance and identity. The aura of the fruit, its scent, its tartness, captures a sense of place, volcanic soils, summer humidity, and centuries-old orchards. Nutritionally, Kabosu is rich in vitamin C, citric acid, potassium, and flavonoids like hesperidin. These compounds contribute to its refreshing effect, support circulation, and may help with digestion and fatigue recovery. In folk uses, Kabosu was historically valued for its revitalizing acidity, reminiscent of light vinegar but more aromatic. From a botanical perspective, the Kabosu tree is evergreen with thorny branches, glossy leaves, and delicate white blossoms. It thrives in Ōita's well-drained soils and benefits from the region's distinctive climate. The fruiting season peaks in late summer and fall, but thanks to cold storage and greenhouse cultivation, Kabosu remains available for much of the year. When using Kabosu, the juice is typically preferred for its clean acidity, while the zest, rich in essential oils, brings aromatic depth. Even a few drops can elevate a dish. For many, Kabosu is the citrus that doesn't shout, it whispers. A drop here, a dash there, and suddenly you taste sunshine, tradition, and the heart of Kyushu.